Imagine walking into your room, and there's your beautiful parrot chewing on a pill that fell on the floor. Your heart just drops. You have no idea if it's dangerous, if they'll survive, or what you should do right now. Today, I am going to walk you through the exact steps to take if your parrot or any pet bird eats human medicine. These steps can literally save your bird's life. Make sure you watch until the end, because one wrong move can make a terrifying situation much worse. First things first, stay calm, but you have to act fast. Birds have an incredibly fast metabolism, a very small body size, and extremely sensitive organs. This means even a tiny, almost invisible amount of a human drug can be deadly. So, don't panic, but absolutely do not wait to see what happens. Every second counts. Your next move is to immediately identify the medicine. Ask yourself, what was it? How much is missing? What's the strength in milligrams? And when do you think it happened? Grab the pill bottle or the packaging. You will need this information for the vet. Some of the most dangerous human medicines for birds include common painkillers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, antidepressants, blood pressure medications, sleeping pills, and even some vitamins, especially those containing iron. And remember, just because something is safe for humans does not mean it's safe for birds. Let's talk about why this is so incredibly dangerous. The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals warns that many over-the-counter medicines are toxic to pets, and birds are even more sensitive than cats and dogs. Their little livers and kidneys simply cannot process drugs the way ours do. A single tablet can quickly cause organ failure, seizures, internal bleeding, or even sudden death. You need to be watching for the signs of poisoning. Look very carefully for things like vomiting, weakness, shaking, drooping wings, loss of balance, heavy breathing, or seizures. Sometimes, a poisoned bird will just sit fluffed up and unnaturally quiet. If you see any of these signs, this is an emergency. So, what do? You call an avian vet immediately. Do not Google random home remedies. Do not wait to see if they improve. And please, don't try any old wives' tales with milk or food. Just open your phone and search for emergency avian vet near me. If you can't find one, contact the Pet Poison Helpline. They are experts in these situations. Time is absolutely critical. The first hour or two after ingestion are the most important for a positive outcome. Now for a crucial warning. Do not try to make your bird vomit. This is so important. Birds are not like dogs. You should never ever stick your fingers down their throat. Try to force them to drink water or oil or give them activated charcoal without specific instructions from a veterinarian. You are far more likely to cause choking or aspiration, which is when fluid goes into the lungs, creating a whole new, deadly problem. While you're on your way to the vet, your job is to prepare them for the trip. Keep your bird warm and comfortable. Place them in a secure travel carrier. Try to keep things as quiet and calm as possible to reduce their stress. And most importantly, bring the medicine bottle or packaging with you. Stress can actually make the effects of poisoning worse, so a calm environment is key. Once you get to the clinic, the vet will take over. They have the expertise and equipment to save your bird. They might administer a safe, correct dosage of activated charcoal to absorb the toxin. They could provide oxygen therapy if your bird is struggling to breathe, or give IV fluids to support their organs and flush their system. They'll likely run blood tests to see how the organs are functioning and monitor their heart rate. Early and aggressive professional treatment is what dramatically increases the chances of survival. Let me tell you a quick story that shows just how critical this is. A parrot owner I know accidentally dropped a single ibuprofen tablet on the floor. Her bird got to it before she did. Within 30 minutes, the bird became weak and started vomiting. They didn't hesitate. They rushed straight to an emergency vet, and because they acted that fast, the bird survived. The vet told them that any more delay could have been fatal. It really is that serious. Of course, the best treatment is always prevention. Let's make sure this never happens to you. First, store all of your medicines in securely closed cabinets, preferably in a room your bird never enters. Never leave pills out on tables or counters, not even for a second. Avoid taking your own medication when your bird is on your shoulder or nearby. If you ever drop a pill, stop everything and find it immediately, and keep purses, backpacks, and any bags zipped up and out of reach, as these are common places people keep their medication. Remember, parrots are naturally curious creatures. They explore the world with their beaks and will chew on absolutely everything. There's also an extra danger we need to talk about: toxic fumes. If a pill gets crushed, it can release powder and fumes into the air. Birds have an extremely sensitive and unique respiratory system, completely different from ours. They have a system of air sacs that means they re-expose to toxins in the air much more intensely than we are. Their high oxygen demand, small body mass, and rapid absorption rate all mean that toxins act incredibly fast and are far more potent. So, when is it a drop everything? 100% emergency. You need to rush to a vet if your bird collapses, has a seizure, is having any difficulty breathing, or if you notice a blue or gray tint to their beak or skin around their face. If they become completely unresponsive, you cannot delay even for 5 minutes. Your parrot trusts you completely. They depend on you for their safety, their health, and their happiness. One small mistake, one dropped pill, can change everything in an instant. Your awareness and your quick action are their only line of defense. Please, save this video. Share it with every bird owner you know, because spreading this knowledge truly does save lives. Thanks for watching, and please keep your feathered friends safe.